Swazi MTN says they are happy to work closely with the Ministry of Education in improving the standard of education in schools in the country. Now, this was said by MTN's communications officer, Mandla Luphondvo, during the handover of the renovation project of the School for the Deaf in Siteki. We have a report.
Mandla Luphondvo of MTN says every year they partner with the Ministry of Education to help some of the schools that need help in various ways. She says it is part of their work that 22 days of Yellow Care every year they try to help some of the schools that need help.
Working with the Ministry of Education and Training, we have been privileged as part of the 21 days of Yellow Care to identify as this school, the School for the Deaf, located in Siteki, as one of the qualifying schools for a corporate social responsibility that is run by Swazi MTN and all other 21 operations, MTN operations across 3 continents. So generally from the 1st to the 21st of June, MTN takes that time to give back to communities in different forms, but our particular focus is on education, improving the content of education and improving the infrastructure where education is provided.
The head teacher of the primary school, Tobile Fagutse, has praised MTN and the Ministry of Education for the help.
As a School for the Deaf, we really appreciate what MTN has did for our school. We are very much grateful. We think our friendship won't end today. It will continue for many, many more years. Our kids are very excited. They will have warm water today. They will sleep very well. I think academically they will improve because the situation was really affecting them.
The Congolese Member of Parliament Joseph Souza says the Ministry of Education and MTN are doing a wonderful work of improving the quality of education in schools.
First of all, I wish to express my sincere gratitude to the Ministry of Education and Training for this gesture, what they have done for Siteki Primary School for the Deaf, for this wonderful job that they have done in partnership with Swazi MTN. This is a wonderful job, Humphrey, because as you know, government's got a lot of challenges, but MTN has come to rescue government in terms of renovating this boys' hostel. I think very much Humphrey, MTN has done a very good job.
Humphrey Lamini, Enes Mabaso, Swazi TV News, Siteki.